what inspires me? Fearlessness, drive. I hate lazy people. Barb, stay in school. Don't you ever be lazy. Don't you ever complain about hard work. Work hard, it pays off.
Travel out of state. Money coming in all different type of ways. No other way. I don't know no other way.
Alright, what's up, y'all? What's poppin'? We back with another vlog, and today I'm gonna be revamping my beauty room. So y'all gonna see from start to finish how I got my beauty room the way I did, and we gonna end it off with a beauty room tour. So let's get right into it. So right now I'm going in and creating my own stencils for this accent LV wall that I wanted to create. I got inspired off Pinterest, but I didn't know how to create it. So this is just me freestyling with some spray paint. What's up, y'all? I'm coming to y'all live. It is like 7 o'clock in the morning. I think it's about to rain, but I just had to come and make this video just to add y'all in on the process. I was supposed to get the chair yesterday. Now, the reason why I'm up so early is because the chair is all the way in another part of Illinois, but I couldn't turn this deal down. I literally been looking for a recliner everywhere. Fun fact, a recliner is better than a lash bed, and I found one, but it was an hour away, and it's only $50. Like, maybe I should take that drive. The lady ended up canceling because she had somewhere to go. It was mad traffic, so I was actually supposed to go yesterday. The craziest shit happened, y'all. I literally got sick last night. I had some food, and that shit made me sick. So I was literally up until like about 2 in the morning with a massive headache. I couldn't even sleep through the night. I was throwing up, and luckily it just stopped. So what we're about to do right now is head over to the gas station, give me some ginger ale. Alright, y'all, so I just pulled up to the gas station, hence the better lighting. But I'm about to show y'all, like, my tank is really on full. I'm just gonna run in and grab some ginger ale, because God forbid I be throwing up on the road. Literally took like 2 Advils. It did not work. Couldn't sleep. And all I was thinking about was, I hope this be done by the morning so I can get up and go get my chair for my beauty room. Because I'll be damned if we don't get this thing done and the ball rolling this week. So, see y'all, stay tuned. I thought I was lying about my tank being on full. It's on full. Only reason why it's not all the way to the F is because, like I said, I drove halfway there yesterday and back. So, yeah, get into this full tank. Alright, you guys, so I just touched down in Edge, Illinois, and I got my chair. As y'all can see, it's like 2 pieces, and he literally had a English accent, y'all. Literally wanted to just talk to him all day, but y'all know I got shit to do, and he seemed busy too, which I'm gonna show y'all later. Had to let my seats down and all of that, but I look a mess, so I'm gonna dash back home. As much as y'all gonna get till I get home. So see y'all. Stay posted. So we just managed to move the chair up into my apartment, and as you can see, this is the bottom half of it and this is the top half. You just clip it on there as I was told. It smells a little funny, I'm not gonna lie. It's a little zesty. So I'm gonna clean this off, and then I'm gonna show y'all. Well, as y'all could see, I ended up ordering a glass display case. And honestly, I thought I was She-Woman trying to put that thing together, but I wasn't able to. So I ended up hiring somebody to put it together for me. And this is like what we was going for here. Alright, y'all, so I just finished moving everything in, cleaning everything. As y'all can see, I'm getting prepared to have a client already. And I just wanted to give y'all a mini tour of our finished makeup room. This is the marble countertop. As y'all see how it looks connected to the rest of the vanity. Y'all don't mind these drawers because, well, I made these myself or put it together. And I wanted to keep that like that for all my hair products. This is just another chair and the rug, which I will be folding up occasionally, especially when I get hair clients, because it's literally just there for decoration. Y'all, my face steamer, all my lash supplies, a candle, as y'all can see, gloves. This is just other people's business cards, you know, different brands that my clients might like. And of course, some candles. It's just like the decorative and you know, extra mascaras, different ones depending on if they're allergic, lip liners, eyeliners, and all the gems and things. This top drawer, foundations, powders, and everything like that are in here, organized to my liking. I'm gonna have to keep this cracked a little bit, but these is all my palettes, my natural ones in the back, and pigments, more colorful palettes in the front, my little individual pigments things here. In this top drawer, I got my just prep, couple of lashes in there, which I need to restock on. Shout out to the BB Minx. What are those? Be Poppin'. Be Bougie Minx, my girl. Got some facial toners in there. This has to go out, but it's a little essentials. Some witch hazel on a spray bottle, cotton balls, whites, and things like that. All for facials. My little facial kit as well, which I'll give y'all blood and different palettes and stuff. Literally Family Dollar. But let's see, I got my wig head and a backdrop for my clients to take pictures. I really wanted to give it an aesthetic, which was my point of doing this here wall, just so they could have, like, you know, a cute little reason to want to come back and take pics and document the experience. It's all about the experience. And then here, hence the experience, I have the chair, which is also the recliner that I showed you guys. And I could just sit there like that. Real comfortable, cozy. Of course, the cover up. And my handy dandy ring light. So this is the display container filled with my health products. This is not even everything I have, but just the essentials. You know, you got the NutriBurst vitamins, help the skin and hair glow and grow. Nails as well. Vitamins are essential. And then we got our sea moss, which has been helping me with popping skin. So I'm like, I know for a fact my clients will love this. And then we got the detox teas as well. Literally can lose 5 pounds in 5 days. And I have the raspberry, the original, and the fruit punch flavor. Also have week supplies of those and samples, just in case. Part of why I added health and wellness products to my business is because I understand that beauty is inside and out. And no matter what you do to beautify yourself, you have to be taking care of your health. That's just what I live by and what I want to push for my clients. Really just to start. So we're going to go over here to this flower wall. Look at that, y'all. Literally, I made it myself. And I could give y'all a more in-depth tutorial of that. But these flowers were literally very rare to find in stores in Chicago. So just know I put my all into that piece there. And another chair here. And one thing that was really important to me is making sure that there was outlets available for the clients, because I hate going somewhere and I can't charge my phone. But yeah, this is just the start. Like I said, it's pretty much all of my essentials. And I'm really proud of how far I came with this, how far I'm gonna go. Let me show y'all again. The last little piece was this here glittery accent as well over the door. Now the reason that's there is because somebody was so smart enough to make two doors directly angled in front of each other, and look what happened. Yep, I don't know how that happened or when that happened, but I had to cover that up for the time being. My makeup business is going to allow me to get that fixed, so it'll be fixed in no time. But I thought this was a cute applique to just throw in the little silver, because that goes with my brand. And this is just a storage closet. It's my apron, and that's pretty much everything, you guys. I also plan on getting curtains and keeping this closed. You can hear like the whole outside from right here. White and pink curtains coming up soon. But yeah, this is pretty much it. I'm super proud, super excited. In case y'all wanted to see the first client I got as soon as I was done with my beauty room, it's actually my sister. She gave me a makeup request, and y'all know I delivered. Comment down below what y'all think of this makeup look. It was definitely something new and different, but she seemed to love it, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. This beauty room tour was actually one of my favorite videos to shoot. But thank y'all so much for the support. Like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more vlogs, y'all.